Hello, in this video I want to show you how to check warranty data in OPPO F9 Pro by using IMEI. Firstly, you have to open a browser and then go to IMEI.info website. And when you are here, just enter your IMEI number to the empty bracket in the middle of the screen. Go for captcha protection. And click on check. Now you can see all specification about your OPPO F9 Pro. Then if you want to check warranty data, you should choose info and country check. Click again at check OPPO warranty in country and wait 10 seconds until full specification is provided. There you go. You can come up with plenty of very useful information. Here you can check the warranty period, and here whether the warranty is valid or no. Thank you for watching, please subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.